Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my English grammar class. Today we will learn about two very important parts of a sentence. Number first is subject and number second is object. We will understand them with very easy words and examples. So watch this video till the end to learn clearly and easily. Let me start this video with the definition of subject. What is a subject? The subject is the person or thing who does the action in a sentence. In simple words, we can say that subject means who or what does something. For example, Ali plays football. Here, Ali is the subject. He is doing the action of the playing. In the second sentence, the cat is sleeping. Here, the cat is the subject. It is doing the action of sleeping. Similarly, in the third sentence, I am reading a book. Here, in this sentence, I is the subject because I is doing the action of reading. Okay, it was about subject. Now let us learn what is an object. The object is the person or thing that receives the action. In simple words, we can say that object means who or what gets or receives the action. Look at these examples. Ali plays football. Here, football is the object because it receives the action of playing. Look at the next sentence. She is eating an apple. Here, an apple is the object. The apple is being eaten, or we can say that apple receives the action. In the next sentence, I am reading a book. Here, a book is the object. The book is being read. Or we can say that book is receiving the action. Now let me give examples of subject and object together in one sentence. Look at the sentence, the boy kicked the ball. Here, in this sentence, the boy is the subject of the sentence because it is the doer of the action. Kicked is a verb and the ball is the object of the sentence because it receives the action. Now look at this sentence. Sarah is writing a letter. Here, in this sentence, Sarah is the subject because it is the doer of the action. Is writing is a verb and a letter is the object of the sentence because it receives the action. Similarly, in the third sentence, they watch movies every weekend. Here, they is the subject and movies is the object of the sentence. So in short, we can say that subject is who does the action and object is who receives the action. Both are important to make clear and complete sentences. Now, for better understanding, I want to give you an exercise where we will find the subject and object in these simple sentences. So look at the first sentence. He eats an orange. Here, the subject is he and the object is an orange. In the second sentence, the teacher teaches students. Here, in this sentence, the teacher is the subject of the sentence because it is the doer of the action. And students is the object because they receive the action of the sentence. Similarly, in the third sentence, we love our country. The subject is we and the object is our country. So My dear friends, it was all about the topic, subject, and object in the sentence. I hope you understood it very well. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more simple and easy English grammar lessons. Thank you for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.